What's up, guys? Derek from Legendary here, coming back at you with another DC batcowls update. We did our third vote, so I'm going to show you what we got to vote on this time. There were 4 possible choices. That being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I'm going to talk about another project that you might want to look into shortly after we talk about the batcowl. So let's dive right into this next vote. What bat costume will Batman wear? So there's 4 different designs. Design A, Design B, Design C, and Design D. Let me know what's your favorite in the comments, and then I'm going to go ahead and vote for the one I like. I actually like 2 of these. Basically, B is what I consider the classic Batman. So that's ultimately going to be my choice. I also like D, but I'm going to go with B and submit my vote. These get tallied up and details released in the Discord, so you can check there. That being said, I also want to share with you guys another project you might want to check out. So let's dive into that. So this is on the NFTs platform, nifties.com/Looney Tunes NFT. And the first Looney Tunes drop is Tweety. We just got confirmation that if you own a Tweety, you're going to get airdropped something. So they're going to do a snapshot at the end of this month. I think July 27th or 28th, I believe. And each Tweety you hold will give you an airdrop. So I currently have 2 Tweeties. My total cost after flipping a few of these, I've got both of these for about 30 bucks. So just to give you guys a heads up, if you want to get in here for kind of a low cost, instead of actually minting a Tweety, what you can do is go onto the marketplace. So go to nifties.com/Looney Tunes NFT, and you can see you can get a Tweety on the floor close to 28, 30 bucks. And I've actually been able to scoop them up even cheaper than that. So if you load some funds onto your Nifty's wallet, even 100 bucks would be cool. You can actually go to a Tweety that you're kind of interested in, see it sitting near the floor, say like this one, 45 bucks, click on it, and you can see here on the right there's a make an offer tab. So I've been able to pick up a couple of these for a really good deal and then reflip some of them just to recoup my money. And then I have 2 Tweeties I really like now, which I'm cool with holding those. If I am able to flip those, I'll just keep doing the same thing and keep grabbing Tweeties that I like. So pretty much getting back to break even at the same time, hold a Tweety that I want long term in this project. So there's going to be other Looney Tunes coming. So the storyline's being developed now. And they just sent out an email saying the first airdrop will be coming on the week of August 1st. So you have to have your Tweety during the snapshot period, the end of this month, and then an airdrop will be coming that first week. So if I click on one of the Tweeties I own, you can see someone put an offer in here on it. I actually picked this up for 26 bucks. Someone minted it and then resold it. Someone bought it for 80, and then he resold it for some reason to me for 26 bucks. So I'm not sure why. I really like this Tweety. It was actually number 7 minted. And if you're looking on Rarity Sniper or something like that, this is the number you need to look at to check your rarity score, not this one. It's not a particularly rare Tweety. I just like the halo and the blue. So check out the market, see which ones you like, and then from there you can put in offers, hopefully get a good deal. If you want, you can go ahead and mint one. That does give you a chance at one of the more rare Tweeties, but it's also kind of a risk. If you want to get into the project for low to no cost, you can kind of play the market a little bit before you decide on actually minting one. So here's what's coming. So episode 1, activity 2, this will be the week of August 1st. Each Tweety you hold will get you an Acme repair kit. And from what the storyline seems to be about so far, Tweety is in a park with a computer, and there was a broken printer there. So I don't know if this is going to be repairing that, and then Tweety's going to be trying to find his friends. That's basically the storyline so far. But we do know there are other Looney Tunes coming. And it could be Sylvester, it could be Marvin the Martian. We're not sure yet. But as this unfolds, we'll find out more about it. And there's going to be a game as well. So there's a game in development involving these Tweety avatars and the other characters. So just a cool little project, pretty cheap you can get into. The mint price, by the way, is $80. So there's 3,400 of 10K minted. I don't know if they have a close date where the mint will be cut off. I think they're just kind of leaving it open for now. But we're not sure if the mint will be cut off at some point, and then that's all the Tweeties there will be. The most there will be is 10K. You can buy one for $80 or make some offers on the marketplace, which I suggest. You can check rarity on Rarity Sniper, or even from the marketplace. It does have ways to check rarity. So there's filters here, and sometimes you'll have to refresh to make sure it's a fresh page load to open this filter up on the side here. So say for eyes, you can see there's only 4 Tweeties with the Bitcoin sign. So those are extremely rare. And you can see the floor on those is 1.3K. The Looney editions are 1 of 1s. So these are all unique. I believe there's 9 or 10 total throughout the 10K mints that are kind of these Looney editions. So far, only 3 have been found. So that's one perk of minting. You might get super lucky and actually hit one of these. That would be super expensive if you wanted to buy it on the secondary. But I'm kind of playing the market first, and then if I make enough money to mint one for free, I'll think about it. That's kind of my strategy. So as far as other traits, you got body, color, rainbow glitter is one of the more popular ones, as well as the metallic gold. Polka dot is actually the rarest. So if you look on Rarity Sniper, all of these ones are mainly at the top. We also have face decorations, mouth, rainbow puke is pretty popular. Eyes, you got the Bitcoin sign, laser eyes. Neckwear, to me, I like the gold chains. Gold chains with the crown is really dope. But yeah, play around with it. You can buy stuff on the floor if it gets cheap enough, throw some offers in. I threw quite a few offers in and was surprised some people were taking them. I was throwing in like $13, $15 offers and they were getting accepted. So a lot of those I would just list back for floor or close to floor, and then they would sell. So that's how I got basically these 2 Tweeties for like $30 total out of pocket. So with that being said, let me know if you're interested in either of these projects, batcowls or the Looney Tunes What's Up Block NFTs, and drop a comment below. Let me know which one you're interested in hearing more about. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Stay legendary. Catch you in Gotham City. Catch you in the Looney Tunes universe. Hope to see you soon in the Discord or the Twitter. And we'll talk soon on the next video. Check you then.